Hey, Big Task. I'm doing fine. A little bit overwhelmed at the moment, but mostly fine. How about yourself? Well, I probably look angry because I'm reading the. I'm not actually angry, but I'm just reading the release notes because gonna download a new version of Xcode right now because they updated it, which is nice because they like added some like they fixed some issues because I'm using a beta. I don't know if they fixed any issues that I noticed, but better to have a more fixed one than a more broken one. Let's see, view downloads. I think I have to. Oh wait, sign in with passkey. I think I have to just delete it and then download it again. 26 beta 5 Apple Silicon. Yeah, that's it. Bow, ba-dow. Doing pretty good, getting better little by little. I'm glad to hear that. I'm very glad to hear that. So am I. I think you weren't here, but I've started applying. I mean, sorry, I haven't applied for a job yet, but I set myself up. I set myself up on Fiverr. As in like I created an account, I created a job posting, but I need to I need to put some proper like uh display stuff in there like screenshots and shit. All right, let's see. I got it. Okay. Get rid of this Xcode, I think, and gain the other one. Wait, how do I get rid of it? No, how do I do this? Let me see. Properties. What are you up to right now? You studying or? How do I actually get rid of it? Xcode, bitch. Oh, I did it. Okay. Just gonna grab my phone. And a drink, actually. Let downloads. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Man, I don't know what it is about lemon water, but I freaking love it. Going over the pending section in my coding book for Python. Oh, cool. Appending is a really awesome feature. Right, so that Xcode is downloaded. Let's pull it out of its hole. Yeah, I haven't done too much with appending, but I know relatively how to use it. And if I forget, I just like do a quick lookup on it. Okay, it's here now. I think the icon looks different. Oh, yeah, it does. Looks cool. Looks cool now. I don't know why I like it. I like it more. Let's open it up. Let's see if this works. Oh, you kidding me? You're kidding me. I have to hold on. Let me. Oh. Alright, well, I guess it has to download some shit. Let's put this in here. Damn. The original Xcode is big. Big boy. Alright, sweet. I'm just gonna open up this project here while that downloads. Wish this was okay. There we go. All right, let's continue this. Hey, Leo Bricks. Hello. Um, I only just got back to working on it today, so good, but yeah, still going. Nothing's really happened since I think. Well, I might have had a couple hours of extra work into it. That's it. Oh, wait. I need my phone. Fuck. Shit. Oh, I had to cancel my my Amazon shift because I wanted to work on this today. Hello. Hello, Veer. Hi from Australia. Isn't it crazy? We can see people from all over the world through the internet. Hopefully it doesn't get regulated soon. If you know what I'm talking about. Oh my god. So I'm watching this tutorial over here, and he's like, we're gonna use the geometry reader now. And then he's like, but I just want to quickly go and look at the geometry reader documentation. So let's go look at that. And he goes into it and he reads like this like one line bit of information. And he's like, but if you scroll down, or this is unrelated, and like that's it. That's all there is. Just one line. It's like there's not a lot of information on it. I was just thinking like, yeah, every time someone tells you to go to the documentation, you can't really get all the information you need from the documentation because it's not there. So where do you get it from? How does he know? Just experimentation? That's it? Can you guys see that? Yeah. Size. Huh. What does it mean? Weird. Oh yay, my download's done, so now I can open up the canvas. Uh, so when you do that, it fits the entire screen. Right. Right. Oh my god. So many unnecessary files I have saved here, Jesus. Nice, it works. There we go. There we go. Can we make it bigger? That looks good, right? Haha! Times. I don't know. Just speculating here, just guessing. Okay. Wait, I'm doing this wrong. Scale effect. Dot scale effect. X minus 1. Is that right? Oh, we got a problem with the shadow here. Dude, there's so many like scammers on Fiverr. It's crazy. I can't believe how many. Didn't expect it. I like that feature. That's cool. We didn't need an H stack for that. We probably need a V stack for this though. Where is it? Oh, is it up or something? Oh, it's on top. This, wait, this needs to be outside the Z stack maybe. Maybe. Cool. Nice. Okay, hold on. There's a bug. I need to quit. I think quit and reopen Xcode. Visual. Hey, Visual. Thanks. Any Mac that is a silicon Mac, like starting from M1 to M4, I think is really good. You can probably even use, honestly, MacBook Airs. But I guess, like, ultimately, I'd recommend at least an M1 Pro, because you're coding and streaming at the same time. I think it's more worth it to have those extra encoders on your system. All right, so let's open this back up. Let's open this bad boy back up. Surely it runs, right? Right. I don't have a device. 16 Pro. Here we go. Simulator is off. I realize. Is this on window capture or? There we go. Now you can see the. So it works. And it works, but it's kind of dark, right? It is a bit dark, in my opinion. I don't know why is it so dark? Is it just me? Huh. Where's the ocean one? Yeah, that one looks pretty good. Sort them by air. Okay, it works. It's working. It is working. All right, we'll stop that. Let's continue here. Woo! You know, technically, when I complete this app, I can put it up as a. I should be able to put it up as a demo of like what I can make. Right? Even though it's a tutorial. Because I made it. The nice thing is it comes with assets. That's the thing that I like. Making the assets for me is the most annoying or hardest part. By far. No, why is that centered? Maybe the V stack needs to be. Oh, that's how you do it. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Sorry for yelling about that. Damn. Holy moly. Hey, FE. It's going pretty good. Getting a bunch of work done on this app right now. I also have to work. Oh, sorry. I realized my simulator is still there for no reason. I also have to do a bunch of stuff on my my personal, what was it, startup that I'm working on with my friend. Oh, actually, no, I don't. I thought that was a deadline. No, that was wrong. Hold on. Link. Huh. Ah, the whole VStack? Right. Is it just me? Is it just someone that feels really good about typing, coding on a Mac? Like, just the typing on the keyboard when you're coding. I don't know, just it doesn't hit the same when I'm on my other keyboard here. I don't know why. Oh, oh, and the link works. Awesome. Damn. I try to get at least like 2 or 3. Um, and then at most I do like probably 6 or 7. Depending if I can get the time to do it, I do it. I often don't have that much time though. Like I have to do work outside of this. I have to like clean shit, make food, you know. You always have to eat. If I actually had a proper coding job, I would like first of all, it'd be so ideal to just have so much income to like that just like what's the word? It just lets you do so much more. Like for example, if I did have a coding job, I'd have so much income that I'd be able to eliminate the need to cook because I could go with Uber Eats every day, order it, and save like at least an hour every day. Save that. Or save at least 30 minutes a day by doing that. And at most I could probably save an hour and a half cooking. Um and even eating too. And then because preparation sometimes just takes a while. Hey Aniket, isn't it really early for you right now? And then I would like pay for a yeah, I'm feeling a lot better today. There's some things that I'm worried about in my mind, and there's still might be some personal stuff I have to take care of today. But yeah, at the moment I'm good. Yeah, and I would have like a maid or like some sort of service that I would like get people to clean my house. I'd also have a house that I could have my own room in to work in. That'd be awesome. That ain't right. I hate to say, but I woke up early. Well, I woke up super early today. I woke up super early today and yesterday, and every time I take Emmy to work, I wake up early because she works at like I have to wake up at least 7. I woke up today at 6:50. No, 9 a.m. is not early in my opinion. Or no, it is. It's semi early. I'd say semi early. Because you're 1 hour before brunch, right? Or 1 hour or 2 hours before brunch. I mean, early in India, buddy. Yeah, I'm based in Australia. Yeah, I'm based in Australia. I'd say early is like 6 a.m. And then hella early is 5 a.m. and before that. Make undo work last night, but it didn't. Oh boy. Oh, it's like, I know the feeling when you get stuck on a problem. You just want it fucking fixed. You just don't stop. You can't stop. Especially if you're addicted like me, and I think Aniket, you're addicted too, aren't you? I can tell. Of course, my love. I hope it's good. I've been coding for at least like 7 months now, I think. Like every day, pretty much. It's not even back end undo, is pure front end stuff. I'm about to go sleep myself. Way too late here. We'll just fix the problem that I had and push the achievements. What is a achievement? Yeah, front end is easy. Bro, what are you doing? No, I'm kidding. Bro, I'm assuming like it depends what you do. Like front end is difficult for people who don't do it, right? And then back end is difficult for people who don't do it. But if you do it, it's easy. Right? Right? Changments. I don't know what it is. Maybe he meant he pushed the changes on GitHub. Oh, maybe. That would make sense. You pushed him. How rude. You just shoved your changes. How? I'm French, so yeah, to GitHub. Oh, okay. No, front is objectively a much easier problem space. You have well-defined sandbox to work inside of. Backend, can mean anything. That's a good point, Whale. That makes sense. Yeah, backend is like the Wild West for code, right? You could do anything, be anything. No limits, no rules. To take and push the title context. History state. Saves. Every click I bring out latest. Track Flutter. I've not really, not truly tried, no. I tried to install React Native and that was ass. Trying to just install that, set that up. I'm trying it, Guire. It's easy on paper. Oh. Wait a second. That makes it easier. Label color. My tutor just said this accent color was here when we got here. When we arrived in Xcode. Makes me laugh. What do you think about Flutter, by the way? Flutter seemed better to me in theory than React. But both of them seem like shit to me compared to Swift. And also, the idea of Kotlin sounds better than Flutter also, and React. Because, in my eyes, native is better than trying to go, through the shortcuts of dual platform development at the same time. You know what I want to know? Actually, I was just thinking. Because functionality with Swift coming from like React Native, for example, is not as good, obviously, as if you did it in Swift. But what I'm wondering is functionality when building with React or Flutter, say for Android, is it better than building with Swift, or are they both like mediocre in terms of functionality when it comes to building for both platforms versus building natively? Because obviously natively is better than all of them, right? For functionality and form and function and everything. But is Swift, I'm wondering, worse with the dual platform system of development systems than Android? Because I could 100% see that being the case, but I could be wrong. I think you've made a good choice, Effie, because Flutter is actually similar to the way Swift works, I noticed. And I think it's funny because I notice a lot of people don't use Flutter, and I think it's kind of because it's kind of like Swift, which is weird. I think like people just gravitate away. What's the word? Repel away from Swift for some reason. I think people think there's a limitation on Swift, but there's not. Not really. So sorta, not really though. To be honest, I would love to learn Flutter React Native 2 years down the road. You know what? I'm going to create a poll here for you guys to answer, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT a question. AI. Here's a poll for you guys. Answer that, and then I'm gonna go ask Grok a question. I'm gonna ask Grok and see what it says. One has learned Dart. One has to learn Dart to use Flutter. Yeah, exactly. And Dart is similar to Swift. Once a few people vote in the poll, I'll go check it out. That actually looks decent in light mode. Whoa, what? I'm starting... This is interesting. I'm starting to get emails from people wanting to like either partner for like a revenue share system or for products, or like to help me edit my content, to like outsource my content. I just got one of those. It's that once you hit 1K subscriber mark, it like changes your channel some way. Yeah, I'm only interested in iOS as well. I'm with you, Aguirre. By the way, I'm saying your last name because it sounds cool. Did I say it right? I hope I didn't butcher it. Question is, if you are big enough to have enough devs to code native for both. Yeah, that's the thing. Otherwise, you're restricted. Unless you learn both languages. But then you have to code both, you know. But I don't know if you guys heard. I think, well, they've mentioned that there's some compatibility opening up for Android stuff, and there's going to be more opening soon. So I think Swift, I mean. So I think Swift is actually gonna. I foresee it based on what's been announced. I can imagine them opening that up for development on Android, or however make it work for Android somehow. Hmm. Aguirre. 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 I can't. I know it's not right. Caro. Aguirre. Kind of like that. I've been learning Spanish recently, so I've been practicing certain. Un café, por favor. Aguirre. Aguirre? More like Caro, right? Caro. Aguirre. Oh, man. Trying. Wasted months on native WinUI 3 app for an internet tool. So Microsoft abandonware. We begrudgingly switched to Electron and don't regret it. Much better for native. Did I mention I tried to make a Dino game like Chrome? What's Chrome? Is that a Dino game? Massive failure. A lot of moving parts. Oh yeah, there's tons of moving parts in games, right? Apple and Android platforms are much better for native, yeah. You had a team? Whoa! You're high level. What do you... Wait. What do you, code in? I haven't done this ever with a linear gradient before. So this is like, it's so weird. It's like you can fully customize. You can customize so much in SwiftUI. It's crazy. It's almost like using Adobe Photoshop in, like, it's not equivalent to that, but like you can programmatically do so much stuff, kind of like you could in like a photo editing software. Okay, Aniket, I'm a game dev. We're making a game in Unreal Engine C++. Oh, that's cool. Are you like team leader or something? Or are you just working in a company? Or thanks, Marco. It's not, I can't really call it my app, but thank you. Whoa. Oh, this looks so bad, and I can't tell what's going on. Ah. Oh, there you go. Ah. Okay. Look, it's literally an editing program. Wow. It's crazy. Software lead, vibe coordinator. Oh. Wait, what does that mean? Like, are you vibe coding or vibe coordinator? Like, you give everyone a good vibe when you coordinate with them. Lead. So we like that. But how do we... Can we multiply that on top or something? Well, no vibe coding. Tongue in cheek. We're a small team. That's okay. So you're using AI then, if I'm understanding that correctly. You're using AI to code that, and then what AI do you use? Oh my god, that was easy. Oh, nice. That was so easy. AI is very specific. Time and place used incorrectly. It's a net productivity loss. Use O3 Pro. Yeah. Oh, 100%. It's absolutely a net productivity loss in most situations. O3 Pro. So that's OpenAI, right? I don't know a ton about AIs. Oh, there's an update to macOS. Didn't expect that. Ah. I got dumbass scam messages on Fiverr. IMO, for what you're doing now, styling, layout, coloring type things is probably best suited for AI. This kind of skill is low leverage in your so yeah, that's true. That's I totally agree with you. That's not like that definitely, yeah. 100%. That's not that valuable. And I pretty much knew how to do that already. It's not like I'm trying to in particularly learn that. It was just like part of the tutorial, so I just following it. I'm just like I'm scamming these scammers back right now. They keep going like, hey, how's it going? Or what can I do for you? And I'm like, hey, sorry for the situation you're in. Do you need my email? Because they constantly ask for my email. Because it's a scam. I can't believe there's so many. So many. Unbelievable amount of scams on. I've never encountered that many in one. But I feel like there's a major surge in scams right now, in particularly where I live. Because my girlfriend, my Well, my fiance. My fiance's getting them. I'm getting them. My mom's getting them. But I'm getting like way more than I ever got before. I don't know what's going on. Or maybe I just like somehow got on a massive scammer list recently. Or my name got repeated in a scammer list. Kind of insane. But that has nothing to do with Fiverr. I'm just saying, it's part of it's. It's happening in Fiverr too, which is really weird. We are about to do something difficult now. We're about to get introduced or slightly reintroduced to MapKit. Wait, what? Wait, what is TipKit? Did I learn that? What the hell? Oh, right. I haven't used that in a long ass while. Sheesh. Sheesh. I'm really interested to learn this right now because when I learned it in another tutorial, oh, I need to stretch. When I learned it in another tutorial, it was the older way to do it, and this is the newer way. And I was trying to implement the new way in the old way, and I was struggling. This is going to be helpful. What are you thinking? I'm thinking, what am I doing next? What's next with the tutorial? Have you applied to any roles yet? Still focusing on learning. I haven't applied yet. I'm going to in the next couple days. But I wanted to finish this app and my other app, and I wanted to get some screenshots and stuff because I technically, I mean, I do have some apps, but I want to have some like better apps to display for my portfolio, or like say, hey, you can go look at this app of mine that I made, because you need a portfolio really to apply and stuff. So yes, like I'm gonna apply shortly as soon as I have some of this stuff. But I'm always focused on learning pretty much as well, so which I think everyone is, right? Like, you know, I think I was scared at first to, you know, start applying and stuff. Probably still am. I was scared when I set up my Fiverr account as a, you know, as a freelancer, but I think I realized that coding is not really different from any other app. I mean, any other job, because like once you know enough, you can kind of figure it out from there. You just have to like understand how certain things work, which I think I do. So I just have to like kind of muddle my way through anything that I don't know to just get it to work. So here I think we need to create something here. Whoa, hold on. So I don't need these, right? %, yeah. Do you have a side hustle from coding, like building AI automations for small businesses, something like that? No, I don't have any side hustles in terms of coding stuff. I have side hustles in terms of Uber Eats and Amazon delivery. So I mean, I have no idea how I would make it an AI automation. Unless it's like, my advice, don't waste your time. It's not going to be worth it in 2 years. Believe me, I am senior machine learning engineer, which is AI, if you don't know. You mean as in like learning to code? Like, don't waste my time learning to code? Oh, well, I've had a lot of people say this to me, and my response is, well, what I would say is like, it's fun, so why not right now? I love learning it, but I'm counting on it to not be the jobs to not exist in 2 years. Like, I hope so. I hope it's gone. I hope all jobs are gone. I think AI is going to replace everything. And I'm all for it. Get rid of all jobs, every single job. Humans should not have to work to live. We should have AI doing everything. And I think that's kind of where your job won't go away, maybe. Because if you're building AI, I mean, you kind of need to build our AI, right? So I think if I learn this now, I'm either going to be building AI in 2 years, or I'm going to be doing nothing except, you know, nurturing my human consciousness. If not programming, what else? It's all going to be replaced eventually. Exactly. So what's the point of doing anything at that point? Anything you learn right now, it's going to be replaced. Everything is going to be replaced. Yeah. Well, it has nothing to do with software engineering, if that's what you're asking. I have a Bachelor of Science in marine major in marine biology. So there's a little bit of a tiny bit of coding involved in that, but not really, not that much. But I'm very good at data analysis. I mean, anything you can imagine a scientist would do, I can do that. Analytically minded, so yeah, I think that's why I can fit coding as well. I've done fitness courses, I've done scuba diving courses. Yeah, nothing really related to this in particular, except for my last 6 months of self-learning, self-taught. Because all educational systems are corrupt, in my opinion. Wait, what is this? What have I done here? Detail, predator. Predator detail. No, I messed this up somehow. Hold on. What have I done here? It's supposed to. Have I done this? Wait a sec, what have I done? Wait, what? Have a great day, Hush. Thank you, man. Yeah, here's where I'm confused. So I have to have this here. Huh? Okay, hold on. My thing's fucked. Redo this. Why is this so fucked up? Predator detail. It's got position and predator. Okay, well, it wants to do this. So predator will be predator, right? And then this will be dot camera, map camera, center coordinate, predator dot location, and 30,000. There you go. That should be fine, I think. Does that work? No. There's not an error here. Where's the error? Ah, it's over here. Map camera position. Oh, right, because of the... No, look at Google Agent they released yesterday. It is beating ML engineers in Kaggle competition. It an AI that code and do everything ML engineers does and better. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing then. You can leave your job like in 2 years. That's awesome, dude. You can leave your job, and that means, dude, that's awesome to hear that, because that means everyone's gonna lose their jobs, which is amazing. Because with no one working, no one makes any money, and the system fails, which is what we need to happen, because we need a different system. Yes. Yep. Here's the thing. No one should be in poverty, bro. No one should be in poverty. No one should be omega rich. There should not be that imbalance. And I wish, well, you'd think it's funny because you'd think that's part of the control system of this planet, but well, it is. It is part of it. It is a big part of it. But it's funny because the bigger part is just the power, the hungry, power hungry people that want control, that just because they love control. You know? It's it's funny that money is not the biggest motivator, even though it's a big motivator. Hello, welcome back. Wait, that worked. The hell? Wait, am I missing something here? Hold on. Oh no. It works. Damn. Well, mine updated. Oh, because I did that, yeah. I put this already in here. Map's alive. But tiny. It's looking great. The map is in, sorta. You may be gone from this world, but your love, your laughter, and your light will live in us forever. I hope, like, Kieran is obviously talking about people's jobs. People's jobs, if they're passionate about them. Because jobs in 2 years are going to be gone. And Sufyan, he confirmed it for us. He just said, look, he said, look at Google Agent they released yesterday. It's beating ML engineers in Kaggle competition. It's an AI that can code and do everything ML engineer does and better. Which means his job, Sufyan, works with ML, and that means his job is going to be taken by AI, which means AI is making AI now, right? That's basically what that means. Or if not directly right now, it will be doing that. Which means all jobs are going to be gone. Yes, it's coming. It's coming, guys. Application forms will be gone. Brother. So excited. Oh yeah, let's have a look at this poll here. So there's a divide between people saying dual development platforms work better with Android than Swift, no and yes, and then most people are not sure. So I'll just go over there to the web real quick, and we can look at this. Web. Oh, it's not on, of course. It's not working. Of freaking course. There we go. Now let's go in here and let's go over to Grok. Do dual dev platforms such as React Native and Flutter, which allow you to dev for both Android and iOS, work? Wait, hold on. Question on: do those dev platforms work better when converting or exporting the code to Android products compared to Swift products? Or is it relatively the same in terms of functionality and form, appearance, etc? As in, if, for example, you built an app in React Native, would it translate better over to Android or Swift, or neither? I don't know. I hope I asked that correctly. Let's see what it says. Blah, blah, blah. React Native often integrates smoothly with Android because of its reliance on native components. Since Android's ecosystem is more open and JavaScript aligns well with Android's Kotlin/Java-based APIs, developers may find it slightly easier to integrate with Android-specific features. React Native works well for iOS, but the bridge between JavaScript and Objective-C can introduce slight performance overhead or complexity when accessing iOS-specific APIs. Ow, something bit me. Developers may need to write more native Swift code for complex iOS features, which increase development effort. Functionality comparison. Functionally, can't read. React Native apps perform slightly similarly on both platforms, but Android integration is often more straightforward due to the platform's flexibility. iOS may require more native code. Okay, so it's not necessarily about functionality. Flutter's SwiftUI render engine ensures consistent performance across platforms, but Google's backend means Android integrations are often more seamless. Flutter's plugin ecosystem is robust for Android, and Dart's compiled nature aligns well with Android's AOT ahead of time compilation. Flutter performs equally well on iOS, but because it doesn't use native UI kit compose, achieving pixel-perfect iOS fidelity may require additional customization. Platform channels allow Swift integration, but this can be less intuitive. Flutter's functionality is consistent due to its independent rendering engine. Android may have a slight edge due to Google's influence. Subtle differences, animation, showing position require fine tuning. See, there you go. Resulting natural look and feel platform styling is handled automatically. See, so React works better, at least for front end we're talking, than for iOS. It works better with Android, and I think, let's see if Flutter's align perfectly with Android's design language frameworks for rendering visuals. Flutter's continue which is aimed to replace iOS look and feel, but since they're not, and discrepancies. See, there you go. Okay, so I was right. They work better when they go towards Android systems than they do Swift. And that makes me further annoyed at people who think like you get the ultimate great experience and it doesn't matter when you do both dual dev. You work with the dual development platform. Cause like you obviously get a better app if you work natively for Swift. Like it just disappoints me as well, because I know businesses, you know, need to keep the cost down, and this is like a middle ground that makes it work, and it's fine. But that just disappoints me because I'm I'm one of those people that like really values quality over quantity. So if I was to run a business, it would just be Swift then, because I would not. It would be a native. It would be either just Swift or it would. I would take the, you know, I would force my company to work with both Swift and Kotlin. I would not bother hiring anyone. If I was the lead, I would not bother hiring anyone that uses React or Flutter. Brock actually did write an essay, yeah. If we go to... So these frameworks align better to Android. It seems React is better than Flutter though for iOS. And obviously it depends on how complex the app is too. But if you do any animations, that's just mega disappointing. If you make that's part of why, like, you look at like the Uber app, you look at the freaking, oh my god, don't even look at the Amazon app. That app's fucked. And I have to use it. Okay, it's not fucked, but it's like, it's really shit. Uber is better, but even Uber is not perfect. And that's like, it's just disappointing to see that even big companies that have the money to do this don't want to. And it's not what they, you know, it's not what they care about. It's what they care about is making a buck. And it's just disappointing. Like, they 100% care just about making money, because otherwise they would have, first of all, better support in terms of like call support and text support and automated support. They'd have more generosity in the amount of money that they share to the drivers, and they'd obviously separate their development to make the app better. Well, it's not about you. It's more about the companies that do this. Because everyone, you know, most companies are hiring React Native and like Java. Java's fine. Java's different though. Java's separate and web stuff is separate. You're like, I would employ you, Aniket. I would employ you if I started a business. But like, I don't know, just when it comes to quality over, yeah, Java's fine. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with Java. I'm just saying, like, I don't like when people take shortcuts at the expense of quality. That's my main point about this. Anyway, let's quit that and go back to coding. Node.js can handle 9% of the world's websites. Well, are you learning Node.js? You have to use Node.js, right? With Java? So I get confused sometimes how this works. What modifier would you put in here? Wait, what's going on here? Rect. Corner radius. Okay, is that fine? Hey, yeah. Fuck. Java is different backend language. Node.js is my backend. Oh, okay, yeah. I might learn it, but not in the mid-far future. I have to master Node.js first. I thought Node.js is the runtime package. I thought it was too, because I had to get that when I downloaded React or whatever, try to set that up. Cool. Oh, thanks, Mir. We grinding. But after the end of this tutorial that I'm watching now, which is like 12 minutes, I gotta take a break. I gotta eat something. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Anyone got any food for me? Oh, nice. This is pretty easy for map stuff. You need a dot destination because it's not within a nav stack. That's why. Map handling looks sick. It's crazy, right? GPG said it's easiest to get a job with SwiftUI in Germany. I did learn German a little bit. I don't know. Okay, time for a new question. How could you keep up the motivation to be focused for that long? My attention span. Goldfish. It's partly the sheer drive that I need to have an app. Like, I want to have another app finished. But also, I'm kind of addicted to it. I love learning it. And I love just going through and typing the code and stuff. It's just fun for me. So, it's like, I don't know, I'm kind of locked in. And I can't get up. Because the preview has no nav stack. Right? I see a feature work. When I see feature work, I forget the tiredness. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, same. While making it, might throw a punch or two. Yeah. So true. Oh, thank you for the subscription, Mark. Thank you. I've been learning for like 7 months, maybe 8. Pretty much non-stop every day. Well, that's not true. But every day I've been learning. At least like 2 hours usually. And at the beginning it was more. It was like 4 hours, 5 hours a day. I was doing it. Maybe even 6 or 7, depending on what I was doing. Sometimes I was trying to figure out a problem so long that I'd be there for like hours and hours trying to figure it out. Breaks are important. Occasionally I take them. Yeah. Well, my stomach is telling me right now I need to take one, so just give me a sec and I'm gonna finish this off, what I'm doing at the moment. Give me a sec to kick you guys out of here. Clears the upper nav blur layer. You need it. Will that work? Yeah, there you go. There you freaking go. So you can navigate through here now. Well, it's not working here, but I think it'll work here. Oh, it's actually not working. Huh? Why is it not working? That's weird. Is that a bug though? Are you in Japan? No, I'm not. I wish I was. Damn, I get the market of software development is increasing. Good luck, brother. Thank you, man. Yeah, a lot of people are kind of like, oh, you know, also not hiring because of AI as well. So, but that's fine. That's fine. In 1 or 2 years, no one will have a job, which is awesome. That's what we want. Why is that not navigating? Let me try and run this and see if it's bugged or not. I have a feeling it's bugged. Navigation on maps is bugged. Bugged. Thanks for the hearts. You should try and learn AI engineering. That's a good one right now. It's the one that's going to increase this. Well, according to someone else that commented earlier, apparently AI is already sort of able to take over that job. So by the time I learned that level of coding, and I could do that, like create AI, I think that'll be over by the time that happens. So at the moment, I just want to focus on being able to make people's apps, basically. Actually, I've recently contacted a guy that's starting, who's working on delivering free open source perpetual energy devices. So you could call it free energy, but it's not really free energy. But it's basically this. It's kind of like the same vein of it, where you put some energy in. It's not free energy in the sense that it just comes from nothing, but it's energy in the sense that you put less energy in than you get more energy out than you put in, which is not, you know, obviously available or widely accepted in today's world and doesn't really exist because of, you know, corporate greed. I think it's only going to take jobs as web pages, cybersecurity, AI development, and backend. No, I think it's going to take all jobs. Every single job is going to go. No worries, man. All good. No problem. I think it's going to take all jobs. AI is going to take everything. Every single thing is going to be gone. And no one's going to have to work. Which is amazing. But why is this not... So the map works here, but I can't... Oh, what's up, Crocodam? Dude, you come in every time I'm about to finish. Hey man, how's it going? Why is this not working? That's fine. That's fine. I'm just so hungry, so I have to stop soon. As soon as I finish this rest of this tutorial, I have to stop. I'm starving. I'll be back after that, though. Why does this not work? What's going on here? What if I put content view in here? I don't know, wishing you luck to be hired for startup. That would be, oh my god. Gifted membership from Crocodam. Thank you, man. Oh look, Polycode got it. Token of apologizing for joining late. Dude, you don't have to apologize, but thank you so much. Appreciate the support, man. Seriously. I feel like I say that every single time. Yeah, I'm working on a startup now, JJ. As well. No. The dream, I hope everyone realizes the dream is that no one ever has to work again. Get that dream in your guys' mind. Because if you guys all dream that, it's gonna happen, I promise you. Thank you again, Crocodam. Full of surprises. Want that dream to come true. I need money. No. Well, at that point, you won't have to work from... You won't need money. You won't need money. No one will need money. It sucks that we need money right now. It sucks. Now we have more members and not just me. Yeah, we do. We do actually. And Polycode, I gotta I'll do it right now quickly. I'll update Polycode to the special Oh wait, is Polycode in Discord? Polycode, are you there in Discord? Let me have a look here. Or maybe the name's not the same. I need a system that auto, like... I don't know, Polly, if you're there, can you message me? Because... Or if you're in Discord, you can get, I can give you a special role in Discord for member. Oh, wait. You might be there, but I can't search it because the goddamn streamer mode's on. Hold on, I gotta turn that off. For myself. Streamer mode. Can't see people's... What the fuck? I can't see people's names still. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's working. Wait a second. Oh, Polycode. No, so there's no one named Polycode in the Discord, so maybe they don't. Maybe they aren't in there, which is fine. I was going, what did I miss? Crocodam is supporting us again. What a legend. If you want a classic Australian term, you're a legend, buddy. Legend, mate. Legend. Absolute legend. Sorry, my Australian is not that good. Been better. What about you? Yeah, Polly's not there. But now Polly has access to the new the DedSec emoji. You have it too. You haven't used it yet. I'll add more in there. Just got one extra one at the moment. Aussie Man reviews all the time. Oh, interesting. Aussie Man. Nice. So those are very, very contrasting emojis. I still got to get the licking one, right? It says French kiss. The lips and kiss lick. I wonder if this is a bug with the new Xcode, because I don't know why this isn't working. That's actually a baby flamingo, by the way. This is a baby flamingo. It's there because that's the original emoji I had for my Twitch channel, because my theme was like flamingo. This is before I started my business, Flamingo Fins. I kind of had everything flamingo themed. I don't know why. You had Twitch? Yeah, I did. I did. I used to game on it. Yeah. I used to game on Twitch. So link in the chat, please. Hold on. But I don't think there's anything on it though. I've changed the name and theme as well now. Let me check on channel. I changed the theme to what I did. What was this? Empower View Streams. Okay. Oh, I have 91 followers. Oh yeah, there is some clips of me playing League of Legends, and it's now called Untamed Sensei. So here you go. You can have a look. Hello. Hi, Coco. Hello, Coco. I don't know. Why am I talking like I'm talking to a dog? Hello, Coco. Sorry. Hope that wasn't negatively received. You're still an Untamed Sensei. I'm sure Twitch will have a great coding community. You should stream at both places. Well, I don't know how to do it properly. Do I have to use like restream.io or something like that? I could potentially do that. I gotta retheme my Twitch. Then retheme it again. Back to over to Swift hacking. Extensions to stream on multiple platforms. Yeah, I have to find out how to do it properly. I think I've tried Restream before. I think that works, but I don't know how to. I have to double check how to properly set it up, because I think I tried once, but it wasn't for YouTube and Twitch, or it was and it wouldn't work or something like that. I remember I tried something one time, and it didn't work properly. OBS also has multiple platforms, but OBS you can't stream at the same time though. I think you need like a plugin for that. You can? Wait. Really? Wait, then I'll just do it from OBS then. I didn't know you could do that. Just 1 minute installation for the plugin. Oh yeah, so it is a plugin, right? You trolled me. Coco is Croco and Croco is Coco. Sorry if anyone said anything, I'm locked in at the moment. Remind me what school says LHS right. Hence proved. Oh yeah, LHS, RHS. Hello, McNaveen. MC. Mic drop. Print locked in. Locked in. In. I did not know about that. Wow, light mode looks really bad in the map. Oh, bro, why? Sensei, the day or night is the golden hour to lock it. Why? Okay, my navigation does not work. Why does it not work? It doesn't even work from here. It doesn't even work from here. So I'm confused. It looks good. YouTube should have... It won't navigate. YouTube should have given the reward system like Twitch or XP news. Yes, I know. Why is there no system where you can use your XP to like do anything? Like, I would love to put sounds in here. Sounds are so fun and hilarious. Like proper, like sounds with from rewards would be awesome. I use the MapKit thing. I'll do a dare. Oh yeah, the dare one. Okay, we have this, but it doesn't click. It worked. The map works, but the navigation doesn't. Why? I mean, it should. How to set up Nightbot? Oh yeah. Need those. You just on one screen. What do you mean? I've never worked with maps, so new to me. It's new to me too. Multiple displays. Yeah, I'm working on multiple displays, yeah. That's why you're seeing me look like here and there. Never worked at all. I don't know anything's going on. I need a Nightbot. You can't. Can you even do that anymore? is 7 PCs. Yeah, I've got like they're all lined up as well. So under my table, it's like a sauna. Oh, I can? Okay, that's good. Has everyone gone and already followed my Twitch account? There's a re-clip here. What are these clips? What are these gaming clips I have here? I haven't seen them in so long. Yes, I did. Hold on, let's go to... Yeah, I will. One sec. I'm just trying to... I have like I have four videos, but 3 clips in one that's 30 minutes long. What the hell? Hold on. Oh my god. What's your rank in League? It was bronze. I got to silver at one point, but I was doing web dev on Twitch. Every stream is about game development. Lame. Imagine having the niche of Swift app development. Hold on one sec. These clips playing. Okay, let's bring this. I was just bringing up all the clips, and I'm gonna. What's this? 31 minutes. I'm not watching that. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna lie, if you have a full stack in Swift, you won't have much issue finding a job. I asked you to full stack jobs are rare. Oh, interesting. Okay, see you, man. Wait, why is that showing Grok right now? Is that broken? Oh yeah, it is. Here's my clips. Bye guys. Thank you for the support today. What the hell is happening here? Look at me. Look Look at my hair.
Live.
Hold on, I can't hear this. I'm gonna mute myself and turn the volume up and pause the music. I'm gonna. Here we go. That's me. Beard time.
Live.
Oh, hello.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Who is this
That's
man?
so. Oh my god. That was kind of crazy though.
Live.
Oh, hello.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Who is this man?
That's a good clip, not gonna lie. That's a good clip. What else we got here?
You going?
Fucking hell, man.
I play Moffy?
Fucking stronger than mine.
I ulted.
He's gonna take
Go on.
top.
Nice. I play Moff Gaia. Oh, I'm dead. You guys should win this.
Nice.
It's mine.
What?
Stronger than mine. I couldn't
Quadra?
actually take it.
Holy shit, I killed everything just then. I was streaming like that. Would your channel got hacked? Yeah, it doesn't look like me anymore. Not at all. Alright, here's my here's my last clip. Just want to say I love playing Thresh. I miss that.
Well, I tried. She's too slow. Well, I tried. She's too slow.
What's get oh GeoGuess. Oh yeah. That game's pretty fun actually. Oh, interesting. That'd be fun. Yeah, we could do that. Play LOL in phone, but dropped very fast. It's not fun on phone in my opinion. It's not enough. It's not good enough. Oh, that clip. I'm just so good at throwing my hook. That's the thing. I'm just so good at that. GeoGuess would be good. Okay, I have to get up. I'm just gonna write, this is not working. Fix this nav link. I'm also, God. I should download the normal version of Xcode and see if the bug is still occurring in there. Or if it's a bug at all. Because it will not click. I cannot click that. Fuck. It is cool, yeah. Saw you my YouTube recommended and laughed at the stream title. You watch it League. Yeah. Oh, those are. It's because those are my old clips, and like some people in the chat just found out that I had an old Twitch channel, so. That would have been hilarious. Yep. Sorry to immediately disappoint you, but I'm glad you found that funny. Why is this not working? Ah. All right. You know what? You know what? Wait, what nav link? How title? Wait, value label, is that what we did? Wait, value label. Val oh, wait. What's value label look like? Can I put an image in here? Is this hashable? No, this is not right. It's not value. It's nav link. What is it though? It's not title destination. It's destination view label, right? Oh fuck. Fuck every time I do that. Nav link destination label. Yes, it's literally that. It shouldn't No. Makes no sense. This is the view for it. It's a link. What is going on? Okay, well, look. Maybe I can't think. Maybe this is obvious and I can't think about it because I'm starving. So, guys, I'm gonna head off. I'm so hungry. I'll very likely be back later on tonight unless something happens. That it comes up that I have to deal with. There may or may not be, I'm not sure, so we'll see. But just know I want to come back. Thank you, man. You too. Everyone else have a great day as well. And I'll catch you in my next stream if you guys are there. Feel free to join the Discord. That link is in the description. We've got about 45 members now, I think, which is awesome. We need more people in different categories of coders. So that'd be cool if you wanted to join. And don't forget to subscribe. Wink. Yeah, I know. We have a decent amount though. I'm surprised. I'm so new and we have so many people. In my opinion, it's a lot. All right, guys, I'm sweating over here and I want to just feel antsy. I want to get up and do something else. So, I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Keep grinding, everyone. See ya.